What up guys, Miguel here of Yugatech, and TP-Link has sent us some Wi-Fi 6 enabled networking solutions to check out. With TP-Link's new Archer Air R5 and Air E5, a blend of innovative design and robust performance is ready to redefine your connectivity experience. If you've never heard of TP-Link, TP-Link is the first network brand to launch such a thin router. They're one of the leaders in the wireless network solution industry, and their products have always been well received in the market for their innovative and high-quality hardware. So in this video, we are checking out why these slick dual-band Wi-Fi 6 routers could be the perfect fit for your home or office. Let's dive in. Some of you may be wondering why you even need Wi-Fi 6. Well, Wi-Fi 6, also known as 802.11ax, is the latest generation of wireless network technology broadly available to consumers today. It brings a series of innovations and advantages, including higher data rates. Wi-Fi 6 offers higher maximum data rates compared to Wi-Fi 5, significantly improving network speed and efficiency. We also get better network efficiency. By using OFDMA and MU-MIMO technologies, Wi-Fi 6 can serve multiple devices simultaneously, reducing network congestion and latency. We also get a wider coverage. Wi-Fi 6 has stronger signals and wider coverage, ensuring one can get a stable network connection anywhere in the house or studio. We also get higher security with Wi-Fi 6 with the new WPA3 security protocol. And with this, we get a higher network security protection. But anyway, enough about Wi-Fi 6. One of the standout features of TP-Link's Archer Air routers is their innovative design. Measuring just about 210 by 148 by 10.8 millimeters for the Air R5 and E5, the Archer Air series has successfully taken a leap in design by being even thinner than a standard wall outlet. Here's one for reference. Okay, here's one of them. They're basically the same size, and here's an adapter. And as you can see, way thinner. Right? Look at that. Thinner than a wall adapter. It closed in a pure white shell. Its ultra thin and sleek form easily blends into contemporary home interiors. In the vein of minimalism, the front LED and WPS 2-in-1 button, along with the Type-C power port at the bottom, further simplify its appearance. Overall, from a design standpoint, those who appreciate products that look great almost anywhere will definitely like the look of TP-Link's Air Archer R5 and E5 Wi-Fi solutions. Leveraging the prowess of Wi-Fi 6, like I mentioned earlier, the Archer Air series guarantees strong, stable, and seamless wireless connections throughout the home. Both the R5 and E5 models are equipped with smart antennas that use intelligent algorithms to auto-detect devices and ensure robust signal strength, just like smart mesh routers. Furthermore, the series introduces 3 unique antenna modes catering to different home structures, ensuring optimal connectivity whether you're in a single-story or multi-story home. Namely, auto mode, horizontal coverage mode, and vertical coverage mode. Before we get into that, let's go over installation. One of the standout features of the Archer Air series is how easy it is to wall mount them anywhere. In combination with its innovative design and dimensions, it can definitely be a space saver that can blend with almost any part of your home. With 3M adhesives and an included plastic bracket out of the box, users have multiple means to install either the Air R5 or E5, limiting the need for additional brackets in the first place. Anyways, let's go install this thing. Here you go, boss man. So, ano yung specs? Oo nga pala, before we forget to mention specs, the Archer Air R5 is a Wi-Fi 6 router all about high-speed performance, offering up to 3 gigabit per second speeds. It features easy mesh compatibility, OFDMA, and MU-MIMO technology, and TP-Link's Home Shield to enhance its appeal. It also provides a VPN server, letting users securely access home devices like a NAS, printers, and cameras from outside the network. Easy Mesh technology, in a nutshell, is an amazing technology that allows users with pre-existing smart routers in their household or office to create a mesh network with the Easy Mesh-enabled devices, providing flexibility so that consumers don't need to be locked into a single vendor ecosystem. Home Shield is one of TP-Link's advanced security features, ensuring a safe browsing environment for your network privacy and data. Now, the Archer Air E5 is a Wi-Fi 6 range extender that focuses on boosting Wi-Fi signals throughout the home. Using beamforming technology, it strengthens signals towards detected devices, especially in areas where connectivity might typically be weak. Its unique feature, adaptive path selection and high-speed mode, ensures that Wi-Fi connection is always at its best. Both the R5 and E5 models prioritize user experience. The Tether App, compatible with Android and/or iOS devices, simplifies the setup process and provides users with the convenient interface to manage their network settings, receive new connection notifications, protect their children online, and even upgrade the firmware with ease. The app makes it so easy, it's kind of dummy-proof, so I know I've been talking a lot about technicalities, but you don't actually need to know all the technical knowledge to set these up. The hardware itself features smart connection optimization, which automatically chooses the best network connection for devices, ensuring the network experience remains top-notch. And earlier, I mentioned 3 antenna modes for better coverage. We could set it to auto mode for auto detection to just let it do its thing. Horizontal coverage mode, in this case, we would want both the R5 and E5 to be on the same floor, ensuring all devices on this floor get a strong connection. Good for single-story houses, studios, and bungalows. Lastly, we have vertical mode, which, as the name suggests, is better oriented when the routers are on top or below each other, meant for multi-story homes with a router on each floor. Here in the Yugatech studio, we can leave it in auto or horizontal mode. So I done. Nice. The Archer Air series is tailored for minimalist design enthusiasts, those looking to optimize their space, users keen on wall-mounted routers without the extra fuss of additional purchases, and individuals prioritizing Wi-Fi 6 and high performance. It's also well-suited for larger households needing comprehensive Wi-Fi coverage, those with multiple bandwidth-intensive devices, and users seeking simplicity in setup and management. Now, I don't know why I came back in, but I got dipped back outside so that we can run some tests. Now, with everything set up, let's run 2 speed tests, one from over there, where we set up the main router, and one over here next to the extender. So while we're here, check this out. The green bar is us. That's the current Wi-Fi, the SSID for the router and the extender. So let's run a speed test now from red under the extender. Okay, we're using Google's speed test for this. We're hitting 154 megabits per second down, or 1.2 megabytes, and 116.8 megabits per second up, with a latency of 20 milliseconds. Let's head over there. So over here, right next to our main router, I'll be running the test again. Oh, there we go. That's way better. Okay, so right next to the main router, which is the Archer R5, we're getting 172.9 megabits per second down and 117.1 megabits per second up. And we're also getting a lower ping at 18 milliseconds. And our signal strength should be off the charts. There we go. That's us, the green one. So, in conclusion, the Archer Air series truly lives up to its positioning statement, balancing impeccable design with top-tier technology. It promises boosted coverage, less lag and interference, but also a minimalistic visual treat. For those on the lookout for a modern, powerful, and an aesthetically pleasing networking solution packed with mesh technology and Wi-Fi 6, the Archer Air series is an investment worth considering. So, what do you guys think of TP-Link's Archer Air R5 and E5? Are these what you need to paint your home or office in Wi-Fi 6? Let us know in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video or found it informative or educational, Be sure to smash that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit unitech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Miguel, and I'll see ya in the next one.